Hello, today I'm going to talking about my city. Actually, I'm from Shirur, but currently live in Pune. Pune is the place very close to my heart because, like most of the people, came to Pune with their dreams and to complete their dreams, and I'm one of them. So I can say that this is dream city for me. Um, there are many more prestigious educational institute in Pune. So it refers as Oxford of East, National Defence Academy. Yes, National Defence Academy is India's first defence academy where three military forces are trained together. I'm one more special special thing about Pune is it is popular for the shopping destination. Yes, it is shopping destination. Pune is having second rank or second IT hub in Pune. Pune is having uh, cultural capital. Yes, cultural capital in Pune is like Shaniwar Wada, Lal Mahal, many more museum, and the Lord Ganesha's temple, Dagdu Shet Halwai is the Guru Shet Halwai temple is uh, moral of the ethics of more people, ethics for more people. Pune is having seventh rank about crowd or the surface area. There are many more type of people or many more religious people live in Pune very coordinately and happily. So these are the special things about Pune which I like. So Pune is my favorite city. Thank you.